state. I just would love to see the brilliant greens and sometimes pinks and reds, but our chance to see it would be further north, a little bit further north. So start at about Saginaw or Bad Axe and then northward. So just kind of think in those terms. Doesn't mean it's impossible to see it here, but it's just a better chance the further north you are. As far as the cloud situation, it does peak Sunday night. We're going to start with clouds tomorrow. It's just going to be one of those days where we're going to see scattered rain showers. By the time you start to notice, again, the sky clearing, that's probably going to be the best opportunity just before and after midnight. And really, that is the best opportunity to see northern lights is right around that time, right around midnight. So maybe getting lucky. But again, it does look like it's going to be a trip a little further north of I-69 to maybe see that. But again, if you want to take that ride or you're going to be there, certainly worth getting outdoors and taking a look. 56 degrees at Metro right now, 57 downtown, 58 in Southfield. These temperatures are a little bit cool this morning. Low 50s, Romeo to Waterford, Lake Orion. You're sitting at 51 degrees. Look at Lapeer, only 45. It's cool out there. 10 to 15 degrees cooler than this time yesterday. That is a noticeable difference. One thing you'll see, some sunshine to start the day, and then those clouds will continue to build throughout the day, but we will stay dry. Our temperatures for most will be in the low 70s, low to mid 70s across Metro Detroit, 60s tonight. So it is going to be a cool night. If you're headed to, again, U of M game tonight, just make sure you have your jacket because it is going to be cool. Area of low pressure down to the south, and then a cold front to the north. We're kind of squeezed in the middle, but at least we'll stay dry for now. As we head into late tonight, it's going to be late after midnight, likely even into tomorrow morning. This is 1 a.m. We're still pretty dry. Tomorrow morning, the showers start to ease in 7, 8 o'clock in the morning, fairly widespread by the afternoon, pushing on through. And then the evening, we dry back out. So again, it's short lived, but it does look like we're going to see that wet weather. Do want to mention Hurricane Dorian. We talked about that Category 4 monster storm, winds of 140 gusting to 165, moving west-northwest at 12 miles per hour. So unfortunate situation for the northern Bahamas as we head into late tonight and tomorrow as a Category 4. There has been some, again, change in the track, and that is very typical. A lot of times we'll see this huge cone of probability, and this track will waver back and forth west to east along that cone of probability. So right now it's taking it on the east side of Florida, but still Florida battered by likely high winds, of course, tropical force winds, the high surf, the heavy rain. And this right now is already Wednesday, but it could be taking a northerly turn up into the Carolinas. So we'll be watching this one, of course, closely for you as we have been. 75 the high today, 59 the low tonight, with rain developing late tonight into tomorrow. Another cool day tomorrow, but Labor Day right now it looks dry and a high of 80.